Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is a lovely day and I've decided that why not go in the park and just get some vitamin D. Is it vitamin D from the sunshine? But yeah, get some vitamin D and continue my video. So in the previous clip we were discussing MEDDIK. We were discussing that the remains of MEDDIK was found. So I'm gonna be reading a clip from the story, and it goes like this. A post-mortem has revealed that the body of dancehall artist MEDDIK, her real name is Stephanie Williams, who went missing, had gunshot wounds arising from the post-mortem. So after them did the post-mortem on her, they realized that bullet wounds were found inside her. So that they're saying that has caused the cause of death. That's what caused her to die. Arising from the post-mortem, a DNA analysis revealed that skeletal remains of a body that was found in a cane field in February is William. So they found it in February, March, April, May, June. 4 months ago they found the remains, and they are thinking it's MEDDIK. Hey, anyway, you can go and get the full story at the Jamaica Gleaner. Go on their page and read the full story of what they are saying. So let us get into some of the comments that some people are giving their comments. People are always going to give their comments, and we are all entitled to our own opinion. So let's not fight down somebody else's opinion. And guys, this is just my opinion. These things that I bring to you, some of them are not even my opinion. Some of them I'm just putting it out there, letting you know what's going on, and I'll base my opinion sometimes in private, and also because it's not like I'm afraid to base my opinion, because I'm entitled to my opinion just as how you are entitled to your own opinion. So as I was saying, I'm gonna be reading some of the comments that you guys are saying. So one of the first comments is, Father, help me to make the right decision and not let my eyes be clouded with emotions. I pray we young females be conformed to what's right than the hype. She have a point, of course. Oh gosh. Also, I know our lives are ordained, but help us, Father, to make the right decision. Well, I'm not a Christian, so I can't even decipher how life ordained or them kind of something there. But God knows everything will go happen to we already. Like, if God knows what is gonna happen to us or what people gonna do to us, why we anyway, that's another story for another time. Jesus story for next time. Let's read what someone else is saying. Good. Oh, this one is saying, yes sir, so I ain't shedding a tear when the same GUN man where them love so much turn around the GUN pan them. So some people are sympathetic, some people are not so sympathetic, because they're saying you lie with dog, you gonna rise with flea. And if you love gunman and you love bad man, them something I gonna reach you. And this other person is replying and say, good man, like can't get them Oh, good. He's saying good man like me and you can't get them girls because them girls they are dolly a hype man, them girl they like. But when you like too much of a hype things, a life cut short and all these things, because I don't know how somebody could be in prison and I control my life. Sorry. Sorry about that. I don't know how someone could be in jail. Not even jail, but prison. Prison. And I try to control my life. No, girl. That could have never happened. That could have never happened. So, oh, let me see. If that could be all the comments. Okay, let's get into another comment. The dolly them no want no 9 to 5 man, brother. So when them say the dolly, them mean to say the new kind of Jezebel them, the Gen Z Jezebel them, who pretty much these pretty people pretty much have their own agenda. So I'm not even gonna go into that because I come from different generation. But I'm just reading the comment, guys. So much kick. Anyway, let's get on. YF gunman in them who me not laugh because it's not a laughing matter. Did I have any more comments? Was it just those 3 comments I took down? Them say a gunman she want, the gunman, the Jezebel them wanting them all. Gunman she wanting she all. So gunman I want, gunman I shall get. But on a serious note, guys, I don't know what is the attraction is to them kind of bad man. I'm not gonna sit here and say I don't know. I have an idea, but I not see why me I go put myself. Look at these guys. Ooh, my bands, I love them. Me not run down I don't run down certain things, you know. I go by my own rules. Yeah, so me may find this thing attractive. Some people might not, but hey ho, that's how life goes. But guys, I saw another story where a mother, she was charged with child abuse. I'm gonna be sharing that story with you. And I think I also have another story. I think I have 3 stories to share. So let me go and grab that one where the mom has, the St. Catherine mother has been charged. Let's go and get that one and I will see you in 2. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And all these things will help me to build the channel. It doesn't cost you anything to press that subscribe or that like button. If you wish to share your comment, you can do so also. And if you wish to share the page, the channel, you're free to do that also. So let's gather our stories and we will be right back. Peace. The St. Catherine mother of a 7-year-old boy has been charged with aiding and abetting child abuse. She's been accused of failing to report the beating of her child by her husband, who is a pastor. Wow. A mother, and that's your child. She was charged today and was granted station bail in the sum of $100,000 as surety. The mother is to go to court on the same day as her husband, whose bail was yesterday extended in the St. Catherine Parish Court. The child was reportedly physically abused. Boy, oh boy, how can you allow a man to physically abuse a child, and you as a mom, you're gonna sit there and watch that and don't report it? Boy, some women have some heart still, you know. Anyway, allegations are that the husband went to the school of his stepson. It's not even his child. is not even his child. He went to the school of his stepson, the complainant, and physically assaulted him. Following an investigation, he was arrested and charged, which subsequently led to his wife being charged as well. Yes, them feel lock them up. Charge them and lock up all of them. Lock up all of them. Then too wicked. Can you imagine? Your own child and you're a pastor. What? God, let me not say anything. Anyway, guys, let's hear your thoughts and your comments on this one. Okay? And the next clip coming up, we'll be hearing Mackadiamond going out for Prettidon and all the people who keeps dissing her in the music industry and otherwise. So guys, stay tuned for the next clip. We'll see you in 2.
And ruin my life and my family and mash up my food. I'm enough to talk. All when me old and I dead, me enough to talk. All when me old and I dead, me enough to talk, me enough to fight. Me enough to fight for my family, them and my food. Want to come and try bring me down. Me not do nobody nothing in music, you know. When I come sing song, you know. I never know so I say dirty and corrupt, you know. When me just start to do music, me swear so every man come, you know. Me swear to heaven may I come. Me never know say me I got hell. Me never know say it will be like this. All me dream of my life of me in a studio, in a school, I come up, dream I want to be a superstar, becomes the wickedest thing ever happened to me in my life. If me could have relived my life again, we could turn doctors or something else or the pilot or me the one turn. A plane me the one to fly in. A plane me the one to fly. Because I'm a Capricorn and money we deal with. I was there with one plane and when me land, me said blood tell them I still can go to school. See somebody says it's not too late. That's true.
I'm going to focus.
I was there one plane land with me. And I said blood tell them I should go by Long Island. Go by plane school.
Yeah, man, do that, man, and make something different. Go for it. No?
Because Mackadiamond nervous breath.
Every day this big monster in our dirty house in Florida takes it for me. Dirty girl going to look for a new house and come down and for me, broker, you can't buy a house. Me, broker, you can't buy a new house where you get paper for your 10 life on Jamaica. Prettidon, you 10 life on Jamaica, you know. Prettidon, you 10 life on Jamaica so you can't go back to Jamaica to get green card. You're a wicked Jamaica nothing look on you. Can lie you tell forget green card and tell lie on Jamaica. So people in Jamaica want to kill and this and that. And nobody now run no lesbian and Batman in Jamaica. We love everybody in Jamaica. Jamaica nah do them nothing again. And I like back in the days. Not no good song. Everybody have the most gay friends now.
Like that,
All over the world.
Macka, wall out, Macka.
So when you come tell lie to get green card out Jamaica, people want to kill her. And you can't go back to Jamaica, you can't hold a flight, go back to your country where you come from again. So don't come stand me.
And no gay friend around here.
And you have Florida for yourself and green card and you still can't buy a house. Y'all tell me about bed when me not have this and I try to drag me in the mud. Girl, you can't drag me in the mud because you don't know nobody. You each up at the wife house and she don't like you. The girl don't like you. Because you only want the free ear do and look the girl them. Which way she do them ear. That's all you want, dirty Prettidon. You stink like from we look like when you say you're mole in a blood clot. You can't talk to me. You understand? You suck out thing out of pussy and them somebody want come argue with human being. Bitch, don't come for me. Don't come for me. I'm in a business one who wants to say about me. I'm not busy one who wants to say about me no more. I'm not done slaughter me already. What else you can't do now? I'm not still see me show up myself same way. I'm still a walk with my head open. What else you can't do? What else you can't do? You can't do nothing more to me. When I eat that.
Sure.
Wanna tell promoter this, wanna come on the internet, wanna do this, wanna say matter hold on this and that, and not now go on fear. What is I gonna do that now stop the bread from selling on the fucking shelf? Nothing wanna say about me right now. Not gonna stop people from living. More than me feel for talk, and me feel for post, and I want to post. I see some people that post me too and style me. It's a style for style thing I go on the music now. Music ain't about song again. Music about drag down people on the neck and cuss off on the blood clot. So I'm night time now to show people so I can cuss too. Because you did feel like I can't cuss. When I feel like my mouth to know what to do. So when you come and tell a lie to get green card out Jamaica, and you can't go back to Jamaica, you can't hold a flight, go back to your country where you come from, you know, girl. So don't come style me, you know. And you have Florida for yourself and green card and you still can't buy a house. You tell me about bed when me not have and this and I try to drag me in the mud. Girl, you can't drag me in the mud because you don't know nobody. You itch up at the wife house and she don't like you. The girl don't like you. Because you only want the free ear do and look the girl them. But you should do them ear. That's all you want, dirty Prettidon. You stink like from we look by you when you say you're mole in a blood clot. You can't talk to me. You understand? You suck out everything and them somebody want to come argue with human being. Bitch, don't come for me. Don't come for me. I'm in a business one who wants to say about me. I'm not busy one who wants to say about me no more. I'm not done slaughter me already. What else you can't do now? You don't still see me show up myself same way. I'm still a walk with my head open. What else you can't do? What else you can't do? You can't do nothing more to me. When I eat that. When you tell promoter this, when you come on the internet, when you do this, when you say matter hold on this and that, and not now go on fear. What is I gonna do that now stop the bread from selling on the shelf? Nothing want to say about me right now. Not gonna stop people from living. More than me feel for talk, and me feel for post, and I want to post. I see some people that post me too and style me. It's a style for style thing I go on the music now. Music ain't about song again. Music about drag down people on the neck and cuss off on the blood clot. So I'm my time now to show people so I can cuss too. Because you did feel like I can't cuss? When I feel like my mouth to know what to chew me in and make the nice? Eh? Chew me in and make the nice? You can't bring me down because you're nobody. The only thing the people are going to say, I shouldn't size up with them. Yeah, every day I cuss trivia about him. I say trivia, I never want to mix up with them dirty people and just because I got this song. Me as a woman, I always help people like that. Me are the only artist do song with pure young artists. We never seen a big artist and a big man artist do a song with me. Because I know who I do song with the big man artist and them. Somebody feel like me and people now do certain people. You understand? It's not everything me mingle up in and me mix up in that. Me alright. You know much man artist point blank tell me say, I want to do a song with anybody. So enough of them coming on music and come hide things some people like gonna feel like say, me no walk the road. Like me no walk the bomber clot road. Like me a idiot. In a 2001 or 2002, Green Sleeve signed me for 3 album deal and give me 45,000 euros. I'm going to buy my house. You can't, you can't, but you understand? You not act like say, me business boy, who want make money now already. No for the artists, them I just muggle them and muggle, it's just a shooting case. Them broke no bumper cloth too, sometime. Now come talk about broke. I feel like I so broke, go. I don't feel like I so broke, go. We not talk to Capricorn.
You say them a judge and can't even articulate themselves properly. We not talk about Duns girl, about Grace Hamilton. We talk about the queen of dancehall. We not talk about the people them who swing pan her name. Who swing pan Grace name, left them to me. That's why me tell Grace, me say Grace enough, you want me a butt. Me a butt my girl. Hey, open them mouth to me queen. I lock back that bumble cloud for you could have been. I don't give up as you say Grace Hamilton name because I know my queen. You don't play with Grace Hamilton. You see, with Grace Hamilton, she full of too much blood, that's why. And that's why the phone could have get the use her and talk about her. Grace full of too much love, and me tell her that I ain't gonna follow you. Me say, you see, you, the pureness and the love what you have in you, I ain't gonna be on fall. Because everybody come around lose Grace. Everybody come around chat the worst thing about Grace. People with blood clot Grace help. Me can't tell you that personally. But me know Grace show me help what she help people. I talk Grace not talk about what she do for people. So when you see me, I don't allow me. Allow me, make me defend her to me. Everybody will come around her. And anybody will go around Grace and see a lot like them I tell. Me can't tell you that straight. Grace Hamilton, one of the nicest blood you can meet in your life, youth. That the girl full of blood. That the girl full. Me can't tell you that me put me head on the block for Grace Hamilton. Queen that I'm so when you hear me I beat some of them but time you know love me make me beat them because enough of them did the round are ungrateful. All Macka Spice helping enough of them did in a studio with Grace enough of them no want blood clot talk a whole heap of help Grace help no all in a dance hall where you see never hate a female artist yet and any one of them say them hate Grace naturally them don't like for yourself self-made female a Grace Hamilton that. Grace never did that. She walk on her black slippers, they rub down like a dog and go DJ over all of them. Every one of the stage show them where you can think of a street party. Where I don't know the blood reach in a dance hall when time we have a lick out and that's how we have a problem. Lord, me defend Lord, me defend all big gas. We are come go like say one bring down Grace. Go to Vegas. And go, yeah, the dirtiest one artist we have, boy. Only thing you do is get up and hate girl pitney at daytime. Move your life, you get up and want up on the woman bomber cloud name. Go and man Vegas. Every you forget cancer. Because you did one bring back Jamaica. And you did one make man can come back. Go to Vegas, come out of the closet. And that you feel do. Every minute you want not tracing with the girl, them Grace will see you. Grace will never see you. Never in your blood. Big black and rust. That's why your career crashing in one that hospital you go make song. Still now boss. Move iron balloon 90s boss blood. Move 90s artists and go nobody see you. Move your hurt me for you. I take 2 out of the split here before I come back. Every minute it's me I take 2 out of the split and I don't take 2 out of the split. Somebody call Grace to me so we can give her flowers.
You know, remember for like coming.
We don't call Grace and talk about like people, but she help for you. All me, Grace, help for you. I'm my queen that. No artists say they rate you, but enough of them now show it like how Grace Hamilton show it. When Grace says she rate you, she rate you. Oh, remember that. Feel like say she a dirty somebody. And the nicest and the purest art that you know go. I'm about to go come out. Do you think you don't cuss yet? Do you think you don't cuss yet? Or when it can't we not yet. We go my team. Jesus, you couldn't finish my life goal for me, mighty God. If Gracie did over here, Gracie don't do it for me. If only Gracie did over here. If Gracie did ever the year, that done, the life goal done 10 times. Yeah. Me love me queen. Yes. Spice is very good to me. Spice is very where you hiding, boss? You say you did not go get place in a dance hall, no one in a dance hall for you. Say, I can't know that. You're one go feed, go sit down in it, turn up in it. If you want me, have it do it. That corner, that your corner. There is nowhere in dance hall for you. I don't know what me want to drink. You confuse my stomach, my belly. You sick it? I don't know if I want to drink lemonade or tea. Let me continue with the tea. Eh? Boy, you tell tease, boy, you want to go in my book. Move! You can't reach in my book, no dear. The only reason why you get talk about is because we see you run out like the bee. That's the only reason you have career for nobody about. Get up off I grow Maka. Maka get up off I people and SETI. Maka we don't even have a lease in my name of it. Don't even, you can't even lease some of the lives. Hey girl, oh you will say you're a big dancehall artist. Okay. Everybody, we help me finish my live goal. I'm going to play in a match, you know. Let's come for cuss and express my blood. I want to express yourself to me there. I really to know. It is at my love. Because, you know, yeah, man, it is hot, man. Ooh. Tea hot. Thank you. Remember my life goal, I'm going to want to see no wipe on my face. What is it? Because I see them try to drink my queen, you know, blame them. I never like that style.
You coming like the blood clot water, them want come from Maka. Your stin water, them want come out our blood clot Jamaica flag hole. You know, see, say the woman hole a black, green, and gold. One go suck. Come on from my life, big pussy blood clot idiot batty boy. Come on from my life, you don't know so this get serious. This get blood clot serious, good boy. Move your blood clot and come on for this. And don't blood clot, let me see you back over this, you hear that? Go and go use your mouth and clean up the stinking hole where your blood clot a run back. You hear stinking boy? Your mouth big and a drain like the way you run back. No blood clot come over bad man like you hear that? You will get good and you look as gingivitis, blood clot mouth, you hear? Do I come over here? Maka, let me tell you this. You see when you call name, do I call for me? You're thinking all where you need if you got blood clot use the antibiotic there and clean up. I hit you if you got blood clot argue. Maka you need if you got argue with your wig them. When the girl them dash in a garbage bin and you go take up. You look like one of the homeless them when they on the corner of the road with their wig them cock up in our blood clot head like it had the blood clot gymnastics. Big pucker, do a blood clot reason with nobody with your big good self. Yes girl, me I go see because of the clean it blood clot underneath. It can't clean itself. That's why general be can run you because your mouth think and you ever smell frozy. Maka when I know blood clot roll on. Maka when I know clot perfume. Move your blood clot and go for your so. You have to live with in smelly same yet. Dirty girl. You have balance. You have RH balance. You're ranking thinking all you have dirty girl. Move and a reason with my name in your mouth again. Before somebody ever find me a clot here in night. Dirty girl, Maka we can't fight. Why won't I need have a mic for bust your face? They never do something about it. Me a bad blood clot girl. Anyway, me see me we mud you.
you when me see me clot in your face, girl. Come here, one of them blood clot girl there. Me run up, grab you, bloom in a blood clot wall. Me a bad girl. Me a bad girl. Bad girl do them sin the when me walk up to you up on the stage. You can't do nothing. Now you have this your blood clot madman. You have a cuss for you. Move! You're mad just like a blood clot madman where you have a cuss for you. Dirty long tongue. Stinking witch. The day where your blood clot call me name my last day you should do it. You can't even have a blood clot beg. Go and go suck out your mother and tell the people in for real. Say every day I start beg 1 cents and 2 cents and you feel good. Go suck your mother. Yeah, I feel so good. Wow, such a lovely day, such a beautiful day. Okay, that's right. Take 2 out of this plane, fine. Calm down. The queen is okay. That's all I care about. Take 2 out of this plane and go back to cuss. Rascal, me tea. Me tea get cold. Make her go warm me back. Make her go. Where? A whole donkey like you had done like me would have never blood clot ride. All of the days me hear name a call up on you and not even a girl. No willing because say she blood clot. Nobody no glad for your hole. Nobody no glad for your hole. Make your hole a blood clot redundant hole. Me say General B never glad for your hole. Predator where a madman never glad for your hole. Not even one girl who can name and charm bite. No blood clot glad for your hole. Move and go pedal and wheel pan a comb. Dirty girl. Go pedal and blood clot wheel. Pan that hot day, hot tea. Fuck. That's what to be seen, Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. No. Jealous because I'm killing them. Oh yes, I am killing them. La. When your blood clot carrier them from a search yesterday, so till me have to chop down all my blood clot tree them. Me chop down everything in my yard because I couldn't find your blood clot carrier son. Where there? Where your blood clot carrier there? Where there? Where you hide boat? You say you did not go get place in a dance hall. No one in a dance hall for you. See a corner there? Your one go feed. Go sit down in it, turn up in it. If you want blood clot, me have it with. That corner there, your corner. There is nowhere in dance hall for you. Mom! Stink like. I don't know what me want to drink. You confuse my stomach, my belly. You sick it? I don't know if I want to drink lemonade or tea. Let me continue with the tea. Eh? Redundant bitch. Boy, I tell tease, boy, you want to go in a book. But Maka, you can't reach in my book, no dear. The only reason why you get talk about is because we see you run out like the blood clot cockroach where you be. That's the only reason. You have career for nobody blood clot about. Get up off I ground, Maka. Maka, get up off I people and SETI. Dirty blood clot, Maka, we don't even have a lease in my name of foreign. Dirty Maka, you can't say you're blood clot artist. And you can't even lease some of a good girl. Hey, girl, oh, you say you're a big dancehall artist and a people blood clot couch if you sleep on. Maka, you have a room for your blood clot self. If TikTok never come in, you would make your 2, 2, 3, 3 cents a day. Go suck your mother. No! Dirty, hey. Blood clot. Who don't know? Yes, man. Big up them same time, man. What the fuck do you, man? One chop God. 121 crime, you know, man. Hear me what I deal with. I am outside. Hear me forward live. I think me turn off my request because it was bothering me while I was busted. We not talk about some girl we are no people. We don't want to talk about no girl we are no nothing, boy. You understand me I deal with? Because some of them a keep coat from blood clot, yes, so. And they need a coat in for them own a blood clot life, you know.
You see me? So we not talk about some girl with fake coat while I run and say them a judge and can't blood clot read and write. We don't want to talk about no girl who we see up an interview, say them a judge and can't even articulate themselves properly. We don't talk about dunce girl, redundant girl, vected girl, them the goal. We don't talk about them, we talk about Grace Hamilton. We talk about the queen of dancehall. We don't talk about the people them who swing upon her name. Who swing upon Grace name, left them to blood clot me. That's why me tell Grace, me say Grace enough, you want me a blood clot mouth. Me a bad blood clot boy. Open them mouth to me queen. I lock back that bumbo clot for you. You could have be boy, girl, bitty clot. As you say, Grace Hamilton name, cause I know my blood clot queen. You don't play with Grace Hamilton. You see, with Grace Hamilton, she full of too much blood clot love, and that's why. And that's why the phone could have get to use her and blood clot talk about her. Grace full of too much love, and me tell her that I gonna be the blood clot don't follow you. Me say, you see, you, the pureness and the love what you have in you, I ain't gonna be the blood clot don't fall. Because everybody come around lose Grace. Everybody come around chat the worst thing about Grace. People with blood clot Grace help. Me can't tell you that personally. But me know Grace show me help what she help people. I talk Grace not talk about what she do for people. So when you see me I defend my blood clot queen, you don't allow me. Lord, me make me defend her because she a good blood clot girl to me. She a good blood clot girl to everybody who come around her. And anybody who go around Grace and see a lie, a blood clot lie, them a tell. Me can't tell you that straight. Grace Hamilton, one of the nicest blood clot human them you can meet in your life, youth. That the girl is full of blood clot love. That the girl is full. Me can't tell you that me put me head on a block for Grace Hamilton. Any blood clot there, my queen that. That are my blood clot queen. So when down hear me, I beat some of them. But time when you love me, me beat them because enough of them did the round are ungrateful. All Maca Spice help in a blood clot dance hall. Enough of them did in a studio with Grace. And enough of them no want blood clot talk. A whole heap of help Grace help. Enough blood clot girl boy. All in a dance hall where you see. Never hate a female artist yet. And any one of them say a blood clot like to them hate Grace naturally. They don't like a blood clot Grace do for herself. Self-made female. A Grace Hamilton that. Grace never do for this or suck face. She walk on her blood clot 2 foot them. The black